so beautiful. Let's go face down here. We're going to see how your spine looks today, okay? There you go. It's been a little while since we've checked you. Okay, you put your hands right down here. Oh, you're ticklish? Yeah. A little ticklish right there. Good. Yes. Good. Lie on the side. Face me. Face me. And go all the way over the other side. So how old are you now?
7.
Oh, wow. That's great. What's your favorite color?
Green.
Is it? Okay. Here we go. A little popcorn. A little bit. Ooh, yes. Feel that popcorn? All right. This and slide this one. There we go. Okay. Got the crinkled shoulders. Okay. Right there.
Ow.
Woo! So that's a lot of popcorn. You did a good job, huh? We have one more little one here.
Been over a year. There you go.
Good. Yeah. You did a good job.
Good job,
Good
Ava.
job. All right. All set. We don't have the slide on here.